Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to switch off and restart your iPhone. We have a couple of ways how we can do a switch off and how we can do a restart on your iPhone. So let me demonstrate you that you can try these steps on almost all the devices. So let's get started. So first one, the usual way. So if you wanted to switch it off, what you need to do is we have to press the volume up and the power button together. You have to press and hold this. I'll be demonstrating you that. Let me press the volume up and the power button over there together like this. When you press and hold, you can see you'll be having this option. Now if you slide to power off, it will be completely switching it off. And this is the first and foremost step you can try. After trying with this, we have few more steps. Now the next thing is all about what you need to do is if you wanted to turn it off, you have to go over here to the control center, and from here what you need to do is over here at the top you can see there is an icon. You have to just press and hold this. Just do like this. Now from here you can slide it to power off so that it will be completely turn it off as well. And also we can try few more things as well. The next thing is all about we are manually shutting down. So to do so we have to go to the settings. Now from here we have to go over here to the general, and from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the shutdown, and from here you have to slide it off so that it will be turned off as well. Now once you did this, and we have one more step. Even right now sometimes if you wanted to do it by a command, then you can think about the Siri. So Siri will help you to shut down your device, and this is what we have to do. So to shut down you have to give the command to the Siri like I'm doing here. So I'm just first calling the Siri and giving the command. Just follow the process like this. Hey Siri, please turn off my iPhone.
You need to unlock your iPhone first.
Now as you can see, it is asking me to turn it off, but right now as you can see you have to just power it off so that it will be completely turned off, even though it's been disappeared because the Siri is still listening. So that is the case, we have to turn off as well. So this is what we have to do when it comes to how to do this, and these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.